Why is the y-intercept important for linear models? Imagine you're trying to understand how the cost of a new phone plan changes as you add more minutes. The y-intercept is like the starting point on the graph before you even use any minutes. It tells you the initial value when the x value, or the number of minutes, is 0. Knowing this starting point helps you see where the line begins and how it behaves right from the start. In the equation of a line, which is written as y equals m times x plus b, the b is the y-intercept. It shows exactly where the line crosses the y-axis. This crossing point is important because it gives you a quick way to understand the line's position on the graph without plotting all the points first. When you know the y-intercept, you can easily sketch the line by starting at that point and using the slope to find other points. Think about real-world examples. In economics, the y-intercept might be the initial cost of a product before any units are sold. In physics, it could be the starting position of an object before it moves. The y-intercept acts as a baseline or initial condition that helps you interpret the entire linear relationship. When you're working with linear functions and graphing, the y-intercept makes things simpler. It tells you where to start drawing the line on the graph. If you know the y-intercept and the slope, you can quickly plot the line without guessing. This makes understanding how the variables relate much easier. Without knowing the y-intercept, it's harder to get a clear picture of the line's position and what it represents. It helps you see the initial value and how the line moves as the x value increases or decreases. In many cases, the y-intercept is the key to understanding the whole model because it provides a starting point for analyzing the relationship between the variables. So, in short, the y-intercept is important because it shows where the line begins on the y-axis, helps in graphing accurately, and gives context to the linear relationship. It's like the anchor point that makes the entire line easier to understand and interpret.